2?
Yeah.
2
2
points.
points.
I'm out of here so you
2
guys can
points.
resume your festivity playing.
Wait, what was that dance? Was that your victory dance?
Yeah.
Like riding a horse?
Yeah.
Ah, don't hit me. I'm the camera lady.
Almost. Whoa, whoa, keep the stick down, bud. Stick down.
Whoa.
Okay, try to get it in here.
Okay.
You keep hitting it against the closet. Hit it straight away.
Pass it. I don't like to hit the plastic.
There, come up and hit it right there.
Okay. Ah, I didn't hit it.
Try it again. Alright, you got it.
Yay!
1 point.
1 point.
Alright.
Two.
2 points?
Yeah, 2 points.
No, that's just 1 point. Okay, ready? Alright, come back.
Oh. Hey.
Alright, get it in the net. Oh, someone left the closet door open. Yeah, good boy. Close that door. Alright, come hit that.
Okay.
Come hit it. Okay, that didn't really do it. There, hit it there.
Look at it.
Here, you go like this. Come here, come here. Come here.
Oh.
Come here.
I'm not busy. What?
No, you're filming.
Okay, stick down. Stick down. Come here. No, no. You can hold on to it. Keep it down. Don't raise it up in the air. So grab it.
Okay.
And then you get next to it.
Okay.
See how that works?